Hello, hello, hello. Doc Bryce here. Dan, an Ironman. Wow. Low carb. Electrolytes. Ang lang ang nutrition. 1302. I beat my PR. Malaysia, 1350. Under Try Low Carb Endurance. And thank you for the sponsors. Salamat. Padadala namin kayo ng Try Low Carb Endurance T-shirt. Kayang-kaya, walang carbs, tumapos ng Ironman distance. 3.8 km swim, 180 km bike, 42.2 km run. From this guy to this. Ibang klase. Adapt, evolve. Be the best version of yourself. Huwag may inep. Kayang-kaya. Yun! Perfect!